Hi everyone, today I want to discuss about the IUPAC and common nomenclature of aldehydes. First, we should know the what are the rules generally required to give the IUPAC name. So already in the last class I given that aldehyde alkane plus al that is E remove alkanol. So now what are the remaining ketone carboxylic acid I will discuss in the next topic. Now, if aldehyde group is bonded to a cyclic ring, then its name first give to the cyclic group followed by the aldehyde name as a carbaldehyde. One already examples are given, later I will discuss. So aldehyde group bonded to the cyclic ring name followed by the carbaldehyde. Next, common names of these aldehydes. They are derived from their respective carboxylic acids and their names reflect in Latin and Greek languages. Okay. Next, ketone names also now we will discuss. Common names of ketones are dialkyl or diaryl ketones or sometimes alkyl aryl ketones also. When unsymmetrical ketones are there, that time we can use the alphabetical order. Few common names are that is called historical common names, that is called acetone common name is acetone is the historical common name. Actually it is according to dialkyl means dimethyl ketone this is. Sometimes the substituent position in aldehyde ketones are denoted with the alpha beta. In ketone alpha alpha dash, beta beta dash. When it comes that time we will discuss with the example also. Okay. Now in aldehydes substituent name we have to remember with the alpha beta gamma position. It is in common name. If IUPAC name we have to give the 1 2 3 number. And sometimes alkyl phenyl ketones are usually named by acyl group as a prefix to the phenone. It means when acyl group bonded to the benzene ring, it is called phenones. Okay. That also we'll discuss later. What are that? And when aldehyde group as a substituent, that time it is named as formyl or oxo. When keto group is substituent, that time it is named as a keto or oxo. So generally oxo is preferred than the keto or formyl. Next, now we will go for the few examples here. One carbon. Already we know that this is alkane, E removed and alkanol. This is the IUPAC name of aldehyde. One carbon, that's why it is known as methane, E removed Al. And aldehyde position is not denoted with the any numerical numbers 1 2 3 number. Locant number is not given here because these are terminal. Common name is formaldehyde. Already we know formic acid. It means already I told that their common names are derived from their respective carboxylic acid, formic acid, formaldehyde. Next, this is 2 carbon. That is called as ethane, E removed Al, ethanol. This is called acetaldehyde. We know that acetic acid from that is acetaldehyde. Now 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. Then it is called propane, E remove, write Al, propanol. This is called propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Next 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it is called 4 carbon mean butane, E remove, add Al suffix, that is butanol. This is called common name butyroldehyde. You know that butyric acid. So based on that is butyroldehyde. This is also 4 carbon but its isomer form this is. Then 1, 2, 3. Second position methyl group is there. That's what is called 2-methyl propane. Remove E, add Al. 2-methyl propanol. Common name this is known as iso group and total 4 carbons are there 1 2 3 4. This is iso group. And next, this is carbon, total 4 carbon. That's what is called iso butyroldehyde. Isobutyroldehyde. Next, 1 2 3 4 5 carbon, then it is called pentane. E remove, add al suffix pentanol. This is called valeroldehyde. When valeric acid, 5 carbons are there, this is called valeric acid, carboxylic acid. When aldehyde is the valeroldehyde. When alcohol is the valeryl alcohol. Okay. Now it is 6 carbon, because here 4 is there and here this one, total 6. 1 and this 4, 5, this one 6. Total a 6 carbon normal chain. That's what is called hexanol. Hexane plus Al, hexanol. This is common name is known as caproldehyde. We have to remember these common names are very important. In even IUP's name easily, right? Common names you have to remember. Next, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. At second position, ene is there. Then total carbons are 3. Prop, 2, ene, e remove, add al. That is called prop 2 enol. Prop 2 enol. Okay. Then its common name, all may not have the common name. Like this we can remove that. I think it having the common name. This is called acrolein. This common name very important, you have to practice this. Next, 1 2 3 4, this like this only, butane. Remove here, it means but. Second position, ene is there. One second, but. Second position, 2, ene. Ene means ene. Remove e and add al. But 2 enol. It is also known as crotonoldehyde. CRO, crotonoldehyde. Generally, this name is useful in the aldol condensation reaction. When aldehyde undergo aldol reaction, it form aldol condensation. It form crotonoldehyde. Next, here 1, this is a 2, this is 3. Second position, methoxy is there. That's a 2 methoxy propanoldehyde or propane. Propane. Remove e and add al. So this is 2 methoxy propanol. Next, we can go for this 1 2 3 4. When more than 2 functional groups are there, that time we can go for the priority order. Priority order goes for this aldehyde first, then the alcohol, then 3 hydroxy 4, that is called butane. Remove e, add al. 3 hydroxy butanol. So all we not having the common, that's why I am not writing here. If you want that, you can write here, because already I told you that when substituent present in the normal carbon chain of aldehyde ketone, we can denote with the alpha beta. This is a functional group. Next carbon is known as alpha. Then we can write this alpha methoxy. This is called 3 carbon propionaldehyde. This is alpha, this is beta hydroxy butyroldehyde. Like this also we can write. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is a numbering. So now we can go for this compound. More than one substituents are present on this a long carbon chain or principal carbon chain, then we have to follow the alphabetical order we know in the first year. Bromine, it is called bromo. Methyl is called methyl only, methyl group. So B will come first. That's why 4 bromo, 3 methyl. Total 7 carbons are there. Heptane, remove E and Al, heptanol. Now this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay. Then it is total 3 carbons are there. Then it is prop. Second position, triple bond is there, then it is called imine, AYNE. E remove, add Al as a functional group, prop 2-ionol. Now it is cyclic group. First I will explain this part, later we will go for this. Already I told you that when this aldehyde group bonded to any cyclic group name first followed by the carbaldehyde as its aldehyde name. Then it is total 6 carbon, that's why it is called cyclohexane. Now here E will be written, cyclohexane carbaldehyde. It is similarly this one. How to name this is second position hydroxy is there. It is now it is substituent. That's what it is called 2-hydroxy. This is the first position. This is second position. So 2-hydroxy cyclopentane carbaldehyde. Cyclopentane carbaldehyde. Next we can go for some other compound. Its common name also we can write. This is a first, what do you call, this is a functional group, next carbon alpha, next it is beta. So beta hydroxy cyclopentane carbaldehyde also its common name we can write. I will show here one example. This is one first position functional group, next carbon is alpha, this is a beta, this is gamma. Then first I will go with the 1 2 3, that is called 3-methyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Common name is alpha, beta, gamma, that's what it is called gamma methyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Next, this benzaldehyde, a UPC name also known as a benzaldehyde or benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde is better than the benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde also considered as a UPC name. That's why anyone you can use, and it is also common name also. This is next. This is a 1 2 3. When a side chain having multiple bond as an functional group, that is considered as a principal chain, and this benzene ring as a substituent. Then third position is a phenyl group, that's what it is called 3-phenyl. 3-phenyl, total 3 carbon, prop, second position double bond, 2-ene, and remove E, add Al. So 3-phenyl prop 2-enol. Common name already discussed somewhere. This is called cinnamaldehyde. Okay. This is also comes in the aldol condition because when benzaldehyde and acetaldehyde combine to form that aldol condensation product, that time also it is product form. So this is one of the important. Next, this is a functional group, first carbon, second position phenyl is there, that's what it is called 2-phenyl. 2 carbons are there, ethane, E remove, add Al. Next, this is called same like this one but extra position. This is a 1, this is a 2. At second position we have substituent. Here also second position we have substituent. Which one here? Phenyl. But here some extra Cl also is there. That's what it is called 2-chlorophenyl. This is 1, this is 2, like this, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it is called second position this group, but it is called 2-chlorophenyl. 2 carbons are there in this 1 2. Then ethane, Al, ethanol. This is called 2-hydroxy. You can write benzaldehyde also or benzene carbaldehyde also. Common name we know, that is called salicylaldehyde. This is we know benzene 1 2 dicarbaldehyde. Don't write diol. When it is open chain, that time we can write diol, but on ring, if it is bonded, this is called benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. IUPAC name is easy. Common name you have to remember. This is called phthalaldehyde. Otherwise, in some books it is given as orthophthalaldehyde. This is remain same. This is called same benzene, but position numbers are different here. This is 1 2, here 1 2 3. That is called benzene 1,3 dicarbaldehyde. This is called ortho position is there, that's what is called isophthalaldehyde. Otherwise it is called metaphthalaldehyde. Next it is called 1,4 position is there. 1 2 3 4, that's what benzene 1,4 dicarbaldehyde. Otherwise it is known as terphthalaldehyde. Next, here first position, second position, third position, fourth, 4 nitro benzaldehyde. Otherwise, now don't use alpha, beta, gamma, delta. This is here ortho para we have to use when benzene ring is there. That's what is called para nitro benzaldehyde. These names are common and very important for competitive exams. Next, this one. At second position, is now two functional groups are present. One carboxylic acid, one aldehyde. When aldehyde and carboxylic group present, carboxylic is the first priority group. Then this will be a substituent. Then two, this is called one carbon methanol. 2-methanol, this is called methane and oil. Methanol form, this is 2-methanol benzoic acid. And common name is, it is called orthoformyl benzoic acid. Orthoformyl, O-formyl benzoic acid. Now this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now 3 aldehyde groups are present. To give the equal identity or identical priority, it is named as 1 2 3 carbon, that is principal carbon chain. Propane, E removed. I think E present when more than one. Then propane, one position aldehyde is there. Second position aldehyde present. Third position aldehyde present. Propane 1 2 3 tri carbaldehyde or triol. This is carbaldehyde. Why it is given like this means to give the equal identity or identical priority for this aldehyde group. Now come to this one, the last one. This is 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4. Second position phenyl is there. Then it is called 2-phenyl butane diol. Sorry, come, this one not butane diol, not ol. Aldehyde is Al, and this is the IUPAC name of aldehyde compounds. I hope these are the textbook all given compounds, and in text question also I covered, and solved question also I covered. I hope this is useful for your PUC exam, it means class 12 exam, and also for competitive exam. Thank you very much.